What's good, YouTube? It's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with the first of many small business vlogs where I show you the steps that I'm taking to develop my business, Unported art. Yay! So excited. So let's jump right into it. So the first product that I'm going to be making labels for are my Infused Body Oils. These are 4-ounce dropper bottles filled with my own unique blend. This specific blend right here is lavender and rose. You can see it moving around in there. Love it, and it smells amazing. You can use it all over your body. So I could easily sell these infused body oils without putting any labeling on them, but marketing is so important. When people are using your product, you want them to remember your name, you want them to know where they got their products from. This 4-ounce bottle can last people months. So when they want to go re-up, I want them to know exactly where and who they got it from, okay? I don't want them to even doubt where they got it from. It's gonna be right on the front, smack dab, okay? Once you have the product in hand, now you can focus on designing and how you want your customers to experience the product. So when it comes to infused oils, I knew right away that I want my customers to be able to see what it's infused with. That's one of the appeals of having infused oils. So right off the bat, that told me I don't want to have a label that wraps around it or that is too big so that they can't even see the contents of the bottle. So I came up with the idea first that I wanted a clear label. So I went out and I got the 2-inch glossy clear label from Staples, but be prepared to have some trial and error. Okay. So the label is nice and small, but can y'all read that? Barely. If it's too much work for me to even see it, I know a customer is not gonna wanna sit there and go like this and see what it says, see what's in, like, you know what I'm saying? That's just too much work, so that's scratched. So I went back and I got some glossy white labels, the same size and everything, they're just white. They have a white background. I'm going to be using the 2-inch labels from Avery. It's 10 sheets and 120 labels total. It'll come out looking something like this on the packaging. The most important thing about this packaging is the number that comes on it. You're going to use this number to design your labels. Once you go to the website, you're just going to type in the number into the search bar and then click Start Designing. It'll bring up a bunch of different design options that you could use to start making your label. I just picked a simple one that had a good font for me. I didn't want anything too complicated. Once you choose a design, you could just do your thing. I decided to just erase all of the extraness and just keep it very simple. Here I'm just showing you that you can insert your logo very easily. Very quick and easy process. Once you're done designing, you can download it as a PDF and it'll give you some instructions for printing, and it'll come out looking a little something like this. I put the label sheet face down and made sure that my printer was on the right settings. This is how it came out and I love it, so now let's start putting it on the product. As you guys can see, I got the exact look I was looking for. You can still see the contents of the bottle while having our branding in the front. So I hope this was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.